Hi, today I'm reviewing OPPO A77s and I'll show you how to log out from Gmail account on this device. So we should first launch the Gmail application and then tap on the right upper corner. To log out from Gmail application, we should first log out from Google accounts on our device. So click to manage accounts on this device, tap on this account, click on the right upper corner to these three dots and tap to remove account. Then confirm your action by tap to remove account again. Are you sure? Tap to OK. If you use some protect methods, just enter password or the fingerprint. Then we can see that in Google account settings we just successfully logged out from Gmail application from Google accounts on our device. So let's go back to Gmail application and we could see that we just successfully logged out from Gmail application. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe our channel.